DTST stock, Data Storage Corp. So the company reported adjusted earnings of 2 cents per share for the quarter ended in March 2022. The Lone Star analyst for the quarter was for a loss of 1 cent per share. So revenue was $8.66 million. Analysts expected $6 million. So the mean earnings estimate of analysts had risen by about 75% in the last 3 months. The last 30 days, there have been no earnings estimate revisions by analysts covering the company. The Data Storage Corp shares had fallen by 28.8% this quarter and lost 24.8% so far this year. The company reported earning a quarterly net income of $136,000. Wall Street's median 12-month price target for Data Storage Corp is $8. The current average analyst rating on the shares is a buy, and the breakdown of recommendation is one strong buy or buy, no hold and no sell or strong sell. Okay, so the stock is in the move. At some point it gained about 56%, so it has cooled off now. The gain is now 46.39%, trading at $3.35. And it's obviously stock that ran up in the pre-market session. So usually of late, this is what we expect. We expect those who were pumping it up, if you like, in the pre-market session to take their money out, and that is probably what we're seeing. But we don't know whether it's going to last. So right now, based on this 1 minute live session, it's trading below all of its moving averages, including the volume weighted average price, but not the 200 minute moving average. Momentum is very weak, but trying to improve. RSI is equally poor, indicating that sellers have taken hold. Let's look at the daily chart and see what's going on there. I think the underlying trend is a bearish one, yes, no doubt about that. But momentum, obviously this is a lag. This is not, it doesn't reflect what's going on, but by and large it's still reflecting very, very strong momentum, and also also indicating that buyers are very much more active than sellers. But it's just a daily chart. This is what's going on live. Okay, the gain is now 44. Okay, it's retracing, trying to lose all the values. It's a penny stock, it's not optionable. And let's see, this is a more static chart here. You can see what's going on here. It's at stand now, it's just getting resistance from its 200-day moving average on the daily chart. So we have a target of $5.33. Don't bet on that. So the last time it was around that sort of price, 5.33, was sometime last year, way fall of last year. That was when it was at that sort of level. So there's no guarantee it's going to get there with what's going on now with this earnings outcomes it has released. It's a good one, but the unfortunate thing for this session is that it has already run up a huge amount of gain. Let's get the volume so far. It's definitely the most active stock out there. I think the volume is now 33 million shares and counting. So our target is at 5.33. There's no guarantee it's going to get there. Even though it's gotten some support around this 3.3 level. On the daily chart, let's see whether there's any support there. 3.33 or any resistance. There are a couple of resistances all the way up. It broke all through all of them. There isn't any supports. There are a couple of supports. Yes, as a matter of fact, a lot of its moving averages are supports around there. So maybe the machines have read into that and try to call that a bottom for now. So our target is 5.33. There's no guarantee it's going to get there. So see what you make of all of this, and thank you very much for watching this video.